Hi, this is Dilip from Tenet Technetronics. Tenet has come out with a new product totally for the robotic enthusiasts. Let me demonstrate the product to you here. So here is a product which I am displaying, which comes, let me tell you what all parts are available on this. There is two servo motors which can carry a load of 3 kg each, that is the drive speed, and operates at a voltage of 5 volts and draws a current of around 600 to 750 milliamps. And it comes with 4 DC motors to drive the board, and these boards are in turn controlled by the servo motors to provide an angular movement. So this is the speciality of this robot, and it comes with a chassis which is made of an acrylic sheet which is around 3 mm thickness to bear a load of 3 kgs, 2 kgs to 3 kgs. So what happens here is the servo motors completely provides you a angular movement. That is, you can see here, the servo motor can be fixed in any direction with the help of the control system and drivers. So when you have the angular motion, you can move the robot in all the possible directions. So the servo motor in turn controls this DC motor, and the DC motor is the one which tries to move the robot forward and backward or in any other motion that takes place. So this is an independent chassis which can be used for any robotic application, and which comes with a entirely different shaft which makes the movement, and it is a very new product that is launched by Tenet Technetronics. Let us go to the demo of this product using the Arduino, and here you can see the finished robot with Arduino platform. So let's have a demo of this. Hi, now you can see the demo of this 4-wheel differential drive robot, and you can see the acrobatics that it can make. So it is going straight in the straight axis. Takes a right turn now. This is the left turn. You can see with the help of the servo how it is able to move to the back wheel, and you can fix your angle so that you get the particular angle to which the robot can be maneuvered. So this is the parallel drive that is taking place. So the robot can even move the parallel axis. This is a complete 360-degree turn. So another parallel axis that you are able to look at now. So now it's going to do a differential drive. So it stands at the position and makes a right and a left turn. So all the servos move in opposite directions to perform this action. So they are in the same position and it is going to do a right turn. So thank you very much for watching this video. This is Dilip from Tenet Technetronics. For more information, please visit www.tenettech.com. Thank you once again.